Prom season. Sometimes it's the tiny little details, the extra bling, the perfect blooms. Let me show you how to create this sophisticated cup. The base, I used the aluminum flat wire and jewels. So yes, taking the flat wire, using a bale plier, curling it so there's no sharp edges, molding it. Then, just to make it fancier, using a bit of bling and gluing that down with the Oasis Flow adhesive. So afterwards, it can be a pretty cup just as is, because the flowers can be pulled off. It won't do any damage. That's one of the joys of the cold glue. Flowers, beautiful miniature Phalaenopsis orchids. And then I wanted to use succulents, but to be on trend, I've lacquered them so that I get this bright, bright fuchsia red color. It'll be a perfect complement to the orchids. Once you have the pieces, it's so fast and easy. Taking the individual blooms, removing any stem, a tiny bit of glue right on the base. Same thing for the orchids, just a bit of glue on the base. Then letting it set just a while so that the glue begins to get ready to be super sticky. Then the trick, tap it down so that you have a bit of glue, then pull it back, and then set it in place. Because then you have glue to glue, and it stays so well. It'll lock it right down. So tap, lift, return, saving little bits, you might add them later. Tap, lift, return, and placing the orchid in, thinking about its face. And tucking them right in with the throats facing each other. So it's almost like they're talking, visiting, social creatures, and hold with just a bit of tension till it's secure. The finished cuff, simple, sophisticated, simply 3 of the succulents and 3 of the mini Phalaenopsis. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now it's your turn. How are you going to approach the coming prom season and wedding season in creative style? Create your design, take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.